Hey everybody, it's Playing Baked, and in the last episode we built one TBM. In between the last episode and this, I made a second TBM, and it ran off and it kinda got stuck and corrupted the world a bit. Again, um, interesting structure on the left, by the way, but ignore that. It got stuck around this area, and I managed to find exactly which region file got corrupted, so I removed it. And after that, I figured, well, we had two TBMs by now. I can do better. Let's make 30! So I did just that. And aside this hour-long recording that I turned it into time-lapse, there are a lot more time lapses, including this flyover of the completed result that will pop up shortly. And after we did this flyover of the completed result, we're going to actually build it. So be right back. So, I think we've had a nice little montage of half the TBM wall. I need to make the top ones as well, but for now... Oh, shoot. I probably forgot to... Yep, I was in a bit of a rush. Dang it. Okay. That should fix it. Yep, good. But yeah, I made this wall of tunnel boring machines, and there's just one tiny problem. If I signal all of these at the same time, I'm pretty sure my computer will crash, because there are a lot of blocks involved. Um, yeah, I had to do a little guesstimate. I think there are around 600 blocks per TBM, aside counting the covers. I don't think they count, so um, if those count, there are a lot more blocks. So um, yeah, I didn't edit the move limit of 1000 per frame thing that you move with a motor. It's an INI setting, so yeah. But the point is that there are a lot of blocks to move for each tunnel boring machine, and I got a wall of them. So I needed something smart, and first I mucked around with timers, but I realized that's quite silly. So what I have here is this is still a test script, but this turtle, he should signal forward, turn, walk forward, turn, signal, and so on and so on and so on. So he should um, give give all the individual ones a pulse. Actually, just a bit more than a pulse. Um, to to check that it works, I added a few alarms. Don't worry, I turned my sound down to 4% or so. Um, so let's run that guy in the background, and I'll put down another guy here to go through it. Oh shoot, that's a bit silly. Ooh, that's a bit silly too. Did it destroy it? I thought it did. I made more. Well, I finished more. I already had them. I just... Anyway. Yeah. So that changed to the actual value of the TBMs. It doesn't do that much complex things. I've added some text so you can actually see what's going on, and well, you hear it in the background. So yeah, it sleeps, then it turns on the redstone for a few sleep cycles, turns it off, moves, turns, and so on, and then it returns back. That's pretty much it. But I hadn't played around with the redstone API, so it was kind of fun to try. Um, and I actually set this up so we should be able to see this move. Or not. Ooh, it moved this one. wonder what happened with the 103. Well, actually, it moved. It didn't move. It dug. So maybe I should pulse it for a bit shorter or a bit longer. I'm not too sure what to do yet. Probably a bit longer. Okay, so for the next cycle I'll make it a bit longer, and I also um, want to change another minor thing, but oh yeah, in between I'll rearrange it so these guys are all in a line again. I kinda like that. So be right back. Okay, I made it much shorter. Um, so what I hope will happen is it will quickly pulse. So the first time it runs through it, actually all the block breakers will do the thing, and then the second time it will move, and then the third time it will do the block breaker thing again, and so on. So it, yeah, it's a small change, but let's see how it works. Also, I made it call the function 3 times, so it should run 3 times if I do this. And it will sleep for 4, turn the redstone on for 1, move, sleep for 4, and so on. So yeah, let's see what this does. Or yeah. Oh, okay, it moved as well. Huh. I didn't expect that. Let's see how long it is. On 4. Oh, that's actually quite long. I didn't expect that. Hmm. Oh well, not too bad. Not too bad. I like the little guys spawning on top. That shouldn't happen if I have the other ones on top as well, because these solar panels and the panels on the thing all let through light, so it should only happen during nighttime, and well, you know. It's kind of annoying that there is that it still occurs that most of them do all 3 steps. Do the block breaker, move it forward, and uh, retract the top frame motor. However, some only do 2 steps. So yeah, I guess I'll make the sleep a lot shorter again for the next round. Let's do... oh, jeez. Good morning. So this is on for half a pulse. Let's try that. Huh. Oh. Haha. I know what happened. The first time it ran, while thingy counted down, and then I forget to reset the variables at the end of the function. So the second time it called the function, the wow had no value to do. If that makes any sense. So it only ran once. Minor fix, be right back. What could have been the problem is water, lava and gravel, and that's why some didn't move. Yeah, that could have happened quite easily. Because I noticed some gravel coming in. And again, when both these on top of each other are finished, it's not any concern, because then it's 110 blocks tall. So it goes to... No, it's 100 blocks tall, so it goes to 105. And yeah, there's not any gravel above that. Oh, that didn't move at all. That could have been gravel behind it. Let's check. No, doesn't look like it. Should move the... Oh, hang on. Move the next one already. So these two didn't move. Huh. Weird. Okay. I'll tinker around with it some more, and I'll also prepare the other TBMs to go on top, and I'll even replace the second one in the chain, even though it dug quite far already. It's actually at 3,000 blocks out. I had the second one running also, but around 600 blocks in or so, 1200 blocks in, it corrupted my world, and I replaced that region. So yeah, that's also why I don't mind tearing down the second TBM that's all the way over there, and rebuild it, even though it won't actually dig anything for the first 3,000 blocks. Oh well. Oh well. Be right back. It took pretty much forever to set up, but dun dun dun, It's a giant wall of tunnel boring machines. And I changed the script so it's shorter again. Let's see what happens. Oh, and I turned up the sound again. Sorry. Hopefully they all move, but I have a sneaky suspicion that at least one or two will slump behind. Yeah, I wonder if I can fix that by making it 0.3 instead of 0.2. I'll have to give that a go, but it does seem to work pretty well. Yeah, it cycled once, and there are a bunch of ones on the top that didn't get aligned properly, but the ones at the bottom are. So I wonder maybe if I screwed it up somehow. No, it did break all those blocks. Huh. Weird. Yeah, I moved the tunnel boring machine back here a bit because I screwed up. Huh. Weird. So maybe if I get the bugs worked out, it will be a giant moving wall, but yeah, I think it will be sufficient this way as well. I haven't even looked at the amount of resources coming in from this. Should be quite funny. Again, I'm using Direwolf's base because I'm using the Direwolf pack, so I figured, well, he has a nice little base with a sorting machine. Might as well use it. Let's see, last time I checked, that was on 150 or so. That wasn't... Yeah, he made the he made the mining world completely out of Extreme Hill's Edge. So there is a bazillion of emeralds. Let's see, iron for example. Yeah, that was around 9,000 when I last checked, I think. Who knows? There's a bunch of stuff. There should be a few turtles in here. Oh well. Cool. That's not what I wanted. It's over here. Somewhere. So now I need to make it so it loops the test function for a long time. But other than that, I like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. So the first one got stuck because something was wrong with the frame. I somehow missed a block. I think I accidentally removed it while changing something. But long story short, let's run it again. And also you may notice that I put my uh, viewing distance back too far. I had it on short because uh, my world got corrupted and it would kick me every time I got near one of the runaway TBMs. So in order to pinpoint its location, I had to go near it and get close as possible without getting kicked. So I turned it to viewing distance tiny or small or whatever it is to see exactly where it was. Anyway, doesn't matter. It's all good. Um, this is much smoother and much more what I expected and hoped even. Let's see. Oh, there's still a slight bit of a timing issue going on, it seems. It could be because of the lag of all the blocks. I'm going to try it again and follow it if it doesn't overflow the ender chest or something ridiculous like that. So I'll do that off camera. For now, thanks for watching. See you next time. By the way, it's amazingly annoying to get them all in the same position again. So I hope it finally works the way I expected. I tweaked the timing a bit more. Um, so we're unfortunately in the cycle that it digs. So 5, 4, 3, 2, nearly there, nearly there. Yeah. Well, it signaled them all, so by the time the turtle returns, it should start the cycle that it actually digs or moves forward. Sorry about that. Yeah, there we go. Did that move 2? No, it moved 1. Okay, that's good. And let's hope they all end up in the same position. They should, technically, but there's a lot of block lag going on. But then again, I'm moving 30 times around 600 blocks. So that's about 18,000 blocks that I'm moving. Yeah, I can expect that there's some lag involved. Cool. They actually seem to behave this time. Cool. And I think it walks back once more, yeah. And it digs the next round. I think. It should. Why is that one moving? Is it because I moved around and then caused a bit of lag? Probably. It was at the same time though. Dang it. And I still need to add some chunk loaders to these guys, so it could have been something along those lines. Ah well. Fairly perfect. Perfect enough for my goal. So yeah, let's actually end it for a change. See you next time.